Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, The Average Investor, here to help you make everyday investing super easy and hopefully profitable without having to deal with the headache of reading all the charts and all that kind of nonsense. I hope you guys are having an excellent, superb day. We have some news to cover today, especially with Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm going to be talking about both of them. Ethereum hitting all-time highs. Oh my goodness gracious! This is beautiful to see, honestly. So I'm going to dive right into here, looking straight at the Ethereum chart. Obviously, you guys can see here we hit that 1438. I think it actually hit that. Yep, maybe hit that 1442. We see like a candle wick right here, hitting that 1442 right around here. Whoops, right around this area right here. But let me tell you, this is where I'm thinking Ethereum's heading in the long term, in the future. Obviously, this is amazing that we hit those all-time highs for Ethereum. Where do I think Ethereum is going to be headed in the future? Let me tell you a couple of things. So, one, I obviously love doing technical analysis. I'm a technical analysis guy, but I also like trading with my mind, fundamentally speaking, and just kind of like thinking what past experience, what Ethereum has done in the past and stuff like that. Now, I've heard a couple of very high expectations for Ethereum. Like I've heard someone say around $90,000 per coin. Like that's insane to think a $1,000 investment can return $90,000. Like, can you imagine having a $90,000 Ethereum? Let me know if you think we'll have a $90,000 Ethereum in the comment. And don't forget, if you enjoy this content, to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you never miss any video. But honestly, I think in the future, I definitely could see a $3,000 Ethereum in the next two months. Honestly, I'm thinking around the next 40 days to 2 months type of range. And this is why. So once again, here you can see this triangle. I love these triangles, as you can tell. And from this triangle, you could honestly see that the first half, this is the 80% that I'm always talking about right here. This is the 80% right here. And then this is the 20% that we like to see the breakout. And we saw that breakout for Ethereum. I think that we might have a slight pullback down to this EMA range right here just to consolidate, I think it's healthy if we have a pullback down to this around 1,500, $1,150 range, honestly, just to reset the RSI. I definitely think it would be healthy for Ethereum. But looking at this, so this is the total market capitalization, and this is all cryptocurrencies, all altcoins. So the difference between a cryptocurrency and an altcoin is basically everything besides Bitcoin is an altcoin. That's basically what it is. So Ethereum would be considered an altcoin. So the total market cap hit 1 trillion a couple of days ago. Now, the last time, I don't know if anybody knew about that huge run back in 2017. We hit around like 600, 700K right here. I think it was $800 billion. Now, that was when we had that huge run for Bitcoin, hit $20,000, and then Ethereum hit that 1.4K mark. Now we hit $1 trillion, obviously, with Bitcoin hitting that $40,000 and Ethereum hitting the all-time high. But this is what I like to see, excluding Bitcoin. So forgetting Bitcoin, we're nowhere near where we used to be. And that's why I think Ethereum could go to that $3,000 mark in the next 2 months. Because look, last bull season, we had that $500,000 plus billion, 550 billion almost market cap. And now we're only sitting at a mere like, what is it here? I think 360 billion. 360 billion. Like that's a good 200 billion. And that's where I think honestly Ethereum has the opportunity to double its cost up to that $3,000 range. Another key factor is this is basically the dominance. So who has the total market cap dominance? And obviously we have Bitcoin with the total market cap. But something interesting to kind of look at is last bull run, with the last time Bitcoin went up to that $20,000 mark was around here. And you can see that Bitcoin had 85% of the market cap, with Ethereum having that 5.7 market cap. And then what ended up happening is Bitcoin started to trade downwards And Ethereum started to gain that market cap all the way up to that 30% market cap. And that's exactly where we saw Ethereum hit that 1.4K, which was its previous all-time high. And that's exactly what's starting to happen again. So as you can see here, we had the 69 Bitcoin and then 12.8 Ethereum, and then slowly we're decreasing. Ethereum is gaining that momentum and Bitcoin is dropping. And this is, we're just going to keep seeing that. It's just repeating what happened last time. Exactly what happened last time. So I like to say I like to learn from the history. This is exactly what happened last time. So I definitely think Ethereum is going to be going up to $3,000. I'm definitely going to start loading up on Ethereum, quite frankly, because I could see Ethereum doubling in its price in the next 2 months. I don't know what you guys think. Put in a comment below if you think Ethereum is going to hit $3,000 in the next 2 months. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion. You can do with it whatever you want. So now let's look at Bitcoin. So this is what I think for Bitcoin. Honestly, once again, so we have Bitcoin as the main bull, right? We have Bitcoin going full force. And what happened last bull cycle was that Bitcoin just absolutely exploded to that $20,000 range. And then a full month later, we saw Ethereum and all these other altcoins explode. And I think that's exactly what's about to happen today or this bull cycle. So we could see that Bitcoin is starting to trade sideways, right? It's starting to kind of relax and it's giving room for these altcoins. It's giving room for Ethereum. It's giving room for all these other ones. So I definitely think we're going to see more action from Ethereum. And we're just going to have Bitcoin trade sideways for maybe the next 2-3 weeks. And honestly, I don't mind that. I definitely think Bitcoin can drop to this $50 EMA around this like $33,000 range. I definitely see Bitcoin dropping down there. If it drops, I wouldn't mind because I would just load up more Bitcoin. But definitely in the future, I know where Bitcoin's heading. I can see Bitcoin hitting that 100K. So honestly, this doesn't really scare me these next couple 2-3 weeks trading sideways. I wouldn't mind trading between this like $34,000 to $38,000 range because I'm telling you, now it's Ethereum's turn. Bitcoin had its turn. It ran all the way up to the $42,000 range. It hit its all-time high. It already did. Now it's Ethereum's turn. And even with that, this is CNBC on Ethereum's 2.0, and this is why I believe Ethereum is going to even go even farther than 3,000. I'm just putting 3,000 as a conservative. Imagine 3,000 being the conservative. I definitely think Ethereum can hit $10,000, even $20,000 in the next year, especially in this bull cycle. Maybe not this one, maybe the next bull cycle, but I definitely think we will eventually see a $10,000 Ethereum. And that's why, I mean, once again, I know for a fact I'm going to be holding a couple of Ethereum. I know I'm going to start investing more and more in Ethereum. Some people ask, how much would you split your portfolio? I personally, right now, kind of have it maybe 60 Bitcoin, 40 Ethereum. I think it's crucial to have both in your portfolio. I definitely think you need to have both, not just one, not just the other. If you don't have that much cash, I definitely would. My opinion would be to put it just in Ethereum because obviously you don't want to split too much. Like if you're only putting $100, $200, you don't want to kind of put 50 in Bitcoin, 50 in Ethereum. I feel like you would see more upside by just kind of focusing it on one sector. And I feel the more upside would be Ethereum in my opinion. But this is why I think Ethereum has super high potential. So they are working on Ethereum 2.0, which should have faster and more secure transaction rates, which will only make Ethereum's price go up. So I definitely think Ethereum is going to that $3,000 mark very soon. I'm telling you, the next hopefully 2 months, I definitely could see us reaching that $2,000 mark. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure if you enjoy the content to hit the subscribe button, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on everything related to the stock market and cryptocurrencies. And as always, I'll see you guys later.